What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another YouTube video. How y'all boy doing today? Y'all boy good, y'all boy G, y'all boy G. Anyways, I'm back with another YouTube video. It's about Jbhustling. A lot of people be asking me, oh, what JB come from? My name Joshua. Joshua be hustling. So let's just clear that up. Folks, they be saying, where JB come from? It's Joshua be hustling. So it's not a hard concept to understand, but the day in a life of a funded trader. Not funded yet, soon to be funded. Day in the life of a soon to be funded trader. So basically I'm just gonna go through the day. Well, not go through the day, but I'm gonna sit at the, see what I'm saying? I'm just show y'all what I be doing on the charts on a day-to-day basis. Today is what today is? Today is Thursday. Tomorrow Friday. I'm finna start implementing a rule where I don't trade on Friday. I don't know what it is about Friday. It's just something about Friday I don't like with this for trading. So basically, it's Thursday. Let me tell y'all. So as y'all, maybe y'all know, maybe y'all don't know. I'm in a 50K funded account. And of course, you need to make $3,000 in order to pass the first challenge. I made 3,000. This pad, well, I made 3,000 multiple times. It's pissing me off because made 3,000, right? But I made 2,300 in a day, so that's what got me to that 3,000. As y'all seen that video that I posted probably about a couple weeks ago. I made 2,300 in a day, and that got me to the 3,000. After I made that, they wanted to see consistency targets or consistency. So I had to make another 1,500. So of course that blew me. I ain't gonna lie. I'm like, bro, I made my 3,000. Just put me in phase 2 and I'll prove it there. So boom. This past week, I just been really just on my. I ain't take too many trades this week, but this is what made me mad. Right, I'm gonna take y'all to the charts in a minute, and we just gonna go through the day and what I really be doing throughout. When it comes down to trading, not throughout my whole entire day, because that's the life of a trader, of a funded trader. But this is a day in the life of a soon to be funded trader. So I'm just show the charts and what I be doing on the charts and things of that nature. But like I was saying, I was mad because I need to make another 1,500, which wasn't the issue, because I know I can make another 1,500 easily. I've done it multiple times, and I can do it again. The problem was yesterday. Y'all know the way I trade, I set sell and buy limits. So basically I set it, and then by the time I come back to the chart, well, not by the time I come back to the chart, when price reaches that point, it'll put me in automatically, and I don't have to be here to see it or nothing like that. So basically I put in set some buy limits, I think it was yesterday. But I could have sworn for a fact that I took them all off, because yesterday I couldn't find a trade to get into. So I'm like, okay, so I'm just take them all off and just going about my day, and I'm, see what I'm saying, I'll hang with my family and things of that nature. So I'm not really too much thinking about the charts after that. Tell me why I come back today, this morning, look at the charts, and I'm down 500. Where did this loss of 500 come from? See what I'm saying? I'm like, bro, where did this loss of 500 come from? So I get a look, and I'm like, wait, when did I lose 500? And I see that I guess one of my sell limits was still on, and I thought I took it off. But it be little things like that that just be setting me back. And it's not, I'm not mad that the sell limit was right there, but I'm more mad at the fact that I wasn't there to manage it. Like, even if I would have still probably lost the trade, maybe not, I don't know, because I didn't really. We just gonna come to the charts right quick. So here we are today, Thursday, March 28th. Boom. I'm gonna do this. So it put us in here. As y'all can see, my bad, I'm looking. As y'all can see, at this time I wasn't even on the charts. I don't even trade past like 12 o'clock. I ain't gonna cap. So 7, I took this trade here on boom, boom, boom. But I was done after this. And I didn't lose or gain nothing on the trade. I made $25 on the trade, actually, which I actually have it on my board as well. I made $25 from this trade here. $25 right here because it came back and I just got out of that trade. I forgot for what reason. But then I guess I got put in here and I didn't see with 3 contracts. I didn't even know I got put in. That's my thing. I wasn't here to see, witness and see this. And this was around what, 1 o'clock? Well, it was 15 o'clock. What that is? That's 3. I don't even trade that late. I don't even be looking at the charts that late. So for y'all to put me in this and set me back, like, like, and what was it? What was it that they put me into? Is this a retrace? It looked like a retrace, so I still lost it. But that's not the point. The point is, I got put in when I didn't even know that I got put in. And little stuff like that is what sets me back. So now I'm down 500 on the front of the account, waiting to, looking for another trade to go on ahead and make that 500 back and plus something, which I know I'm gonna do. But it's just annoying because it's like the time that I done put into this funded, it's like I already feel like I should have been funded. But the amount of time, it's just the time thing. Like, golly, we finna go into another month and I still with this same 50K funded. Like, I know it's great to be patient. That was my last video, was patience. But golly, I wasn't mad, but I was just annoyed this morning seeing it. I'm like, when did I lose 500? And so I didn't write it on my board because it wasn't a trade that I watched and managed and seen it happen and things of that nature. So in my thesis of what I came up with, currently I'm up 800 something on a week between different fundings and things of that nature. I'm about 800 something. That don't count. I'm not counting it. I don't care if y'all count it or not. But we finna go and get into the chart, do a little bit of back testing, see where we are right now. It's currently 12:30. As y'all know, I really don't trade past 12:30. 12 really be my stopping point. So it's like I'm doing a little, just seeing what the market doing. And I seen a trade today, so I'm finna just show y'all on the chart. So this is the trade I seen for today, y'all. Perfect trade. I didn't get in. Honestly, why I didn't get in, I have no clue. I have no clue why I didn't get in. I actually was doing other things this morning, so I missed out on this. But it was a pretty great trade, as y'all see. I would have entered here on this yellow line, put in 2 contracts. I would have been risking 400 to make 400, or up to 800, and if not that, 1200. Which would have been a great trade because I would have already at this point would have hit my, my first targets right here. It might continue on down because it might be a reversal trade, but I don't like how today is moving. You see all this consolidation. I just didn't really like how today was moving. And then at the time that it was about to hit my get in my sell limits, news was coming out. As y'all know, I'm not the type to trade news. I don't like trading news. I feel like it messes you up. So I'm not the type to trade news. That's another thing that I was a little concerned about why I didn't get in here. But as y'all can see, it just, all I use it is proof and confirmation that you're a profitable trader and you know what you're doing technically. On the technical side of things, you know what you're doing. Now on the psychological, emotional side, it might be get a little iffy there, but I'm a profitable trader. I just ain't funded yet. That's why I tell everybody, give me up, bro. And then I hate weekends, bro. Weekends piss me off now, bro. Can you hurry? Weekend, hurry up. I be trying to get back in now. Like, bro, this might be the week. It's gonna be the week. But I'm gonna just go ahead. Back test for a little bit. So that's pretty much all the back testing I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna lie, if I'm being completely honest, bro, I try to spend as much time away from the charts as possible. Only because it's like, yeah, I can sit here and back test for hours and hours like a lot of people do, but I feel like, bro, that's not, if you know what your plan is and your trading plan, I don't have no reason to sit at the charts for hours. I know what my trade is. I know what risk I'm gonna take. I know my trades. I know what it is. So I can sit here and back test all day, but it's like, I'm gonna keep seeing the same repeated things. I'm like, oh yeah, I would have took that. Okay, I wouldn't have took that. I would have took that. And this, I feel like execution is the best teacher, bro. Execution. Sitting here back testing all day, I mean, it's cool, but the executing, actually being in that trade is the best teacher of them all. Like, you can, it don't matter if, because in back testing, you're not in the moment. You're not gonna see those retraces during back testing. You're not gonna see price come down this close to your stop and then shoot till you take profit in back testing. So in back testing, it's like, oh snap, I would have took that trade, I would have been this close, but in the moment, you probably would have took yourself out because you would have got scared of how close it was getting to your stop. So I feel like the best teacher is always actually being in that fight, actually being in that trade. Actually being in that trade exposes way more than back testing. So it's like, I back test, well, of course, when I was trying to find a plan, I was back testing a lot more. If you don't know what your trade is, you don't know what your plan is, of course you're gonna back test a lot, way more, rather than if you already know what you're doing, you just coming to the chart, executing. See what I'm saying? Letting the trade do its thing. It's all about having that risk and that everything else in place. Once you got everything else in place and you know what your trade is, sitting here back testing for 5 hours at a time is just not, it's not something I do. I ain't gonna lie, it's not something I do. I've come to the computer about looking for a trade probably about 3-4 hours a day. I don't sit and stare at the laptop like, bro, I don't do that. I ain't gonna lie. I put my sell limits out. Oh, I want to get, I like this area here, I like this area here, I'm gonna get in here, go on about my day. I check my phone, see if I'm getting close. If I'm not getting close, I have alerts on my phone. Then when it's crossing a certain point, I'm like, oh snap, I'm about to get into this trade, come back down. But that's probably why I lost that, see what I'm saying, that other day, because I wasn't paying attention. I was just being lousy that day. But I ain't too mad. I'm gonna notify y'all on when I do officially pass the 50K funded, the first phase. And then the second phase, we gonna go through it step by step. Not step by step, but trade by trade. Y'all gonna see every trade I take on the second phase. Y'all gonna see me when I pass the second phase. Y'all gonna see when I take my first trade. Y'all gonna see when I take my passing trade. Y'all gonna see everything on that second phase. The only reason I ain't show it on the first phase because I started this challenge, or I started this funded before I started YouTube. So I was already in a process of trying to get it funded right while I was doing YouTube. But when I was starting this YouTube, at that time, that 50K, I was down on it like by like 3,000. I ain't gonna lie. Well, not 3,000 because of course drawdown rule is like 2,000. But I was down to like 49. I was at 47,000. 47,000 like 800 or something like that. So I was like $700-800 from blowing the funded, and I brought it back up to 50K. Once I got it 50K, brought it to, see what I'm saying? I brought it to 50K with straight consistency. Brought it to 50K after I got it to 50K, took it to 60K. I'm 60K. Brought it to 50K. Once I got it to 50K, brought it to 53K. So I'm currently sitting at 52,000, around 500, 52,500, 600, somewhere around there. And I really don't want to lose another trade because that's why I'm being real cautious. Should have took this trade, but you see how it's them coulda, shoulda, woulda, that. Thank y'all for watching this video. This is a day in the life of my trading. I don't sit at the laptop all day because it can bring a lot of stress. Trading is stressful. On the mental, it ain't stressful like physically wise, but on the mental, you will be stressed, irritated for the rest of the day because of something that happened on the chart. And I don't be trying to have that stress on me all day. I do my thing and I get out of there. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on what more videos y'all want to see, what other type of videos y'all want to see. And just tag along on my journey because I'm trying to tell you, give it like a year from now, bro. A year from now, y'all gonna be like, dang, he had been recording the whole time since January of 2024 and then 2025 January. See what I'm saying? But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'm a goofy nigga, bro. I'm sorry. I said nigga. I'm a goofy guy. I'm sorry. I'm a goofy guy from the hood. So I'm gonna be myself regardless on camera. Just because I ain't no serious, oh, you guys have to know this. Trading is not a game. Bro, I ain't that type of guy, bro. Have fun with it. Enjoy your journey. If you don't enjoy your journey, you're gonna be stressed the whole time going through your journey. So yeah, enjoy your journey. Thank y'all for watching.